Fact number 1. Crows are highly intelligent birds. They have been known to use tools and solve complex problems. Fact number 2. Crows have excellent memory. They can remember human faces and hold grudges against those who have wronged them. Fact number 3. Crows are social creatures. They often gather in large groups called murders. Fact number 4. Crows have a wide range of vocalizations. They can mimic other birds and even human speech. Fact number 5. Crows are known for their ability to recognize themselves in mirrors. This is a trait shared by only a few other animals. Fact number 6. Crows are opportunistic eaters. They will eat almost anything, including garbage and carrion. Fact number 7. Crows are highly adaptable. They can thrive in both urban and rural environments. Fact number 8. Crows have been observed using cars to crack open nuts. They drop the nuts onto the road and wait for passing cars to run over them. Fact number 9. Crows have been known to play pranks on each other. They will steal and hide objects from one another. Fact number 10. Crows have a complex system of communication. They can convey information about potential threats and food sources to other crows. So the next time you see a crow, remember that these birds are not just ordinary creatures. They are fascinating and full of surprises.